Today I'm going to show you how to make these images. How to swap your face. And add your logo. Open your browser and search for Microsoft Designer. Click on first link. Click on Image Creator. Now type your prompt here. Click on Generate. Click on Image to preview. Click on Download button. Now open this website. Click on Face Swap. Click on Upload Image. And select your first image. Click on Swipe. Now download this image and open it in Photoshop. First, duplicate the image. Press Ctrl J. I want to replace my logo right here. Choose Remove tool and follow the process.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Now insert your logo. Adjust logo size and position accordingly. And I want to change color of my logo. Double-click on this layer to open blending options. And choose Color Overlay. I want to select white color. Click OK. Now go to Filter menu, Blur, Gaussian Blur. This amount is good for this image. Click OK. And this is the final result. Hope you enjoyed and don't forget to subscribe. If you interested in more AI tutorials, subscribe to my new channel. I'm sharing new tutorials and prompts daily.